Question 7, calculate the missing angle in this quadrilateral. Now, we've got a brief reminder of all the angle rules we need for year 6. We've got to decide which of these angle rules that we need. So remember, angles in a triangle, that's this rule, add up to 180 degrees. Angles on a straight line or angles that make a semicircle also add up to 180 degrees. Angles in a circle, that's here, add up to 360. Angles in a quadrilateral, that's this one, also add up to 360. This is an isosceles triangle with a line of symmetry down the middle. Remember, that side and that side are equal, and this angle are equal. Or we've got a cross shape, opposite angles in a cross shape. In other words, opposite angles at the vertex. Remember the vertex, this is what vertically comes from the word vertex. The vertex is the point where the two lines cross. Opposite angles are equal, so 135 equals 135 and 45 equals 45. So which of these angle rules are we talking about here? Well, we are clearly talking about this quadrilateral. So it's this one down here that adds up to 360. So we're trying to find the missing angle to make it add up to 360. So best thing to do is add up what we got so far. So we've got 133 plus 81 plus 72. So let's add that up carefully. 3 plus 1 plus 2 is 6. 3 and 7 is 10, plus 8 is 18. Put the 8 in, carry the 1, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. So we're up to 286 degrees so far. I always write so far there, just so we don't think that the final answer is 286. And then we will take 286 off of 360, and whatever's left will be our missing angle. So 286 off of 360, another column method. 0 take away 6 we can't do, so we would borrow from the 6 and call it a 5. 1 we borrow makes 10. 10 take away 6 is 4. 5 take away 8 we can't do, so we'll borrow. That becomes a 2, and then the 5 turns into 15. 15 take away 8 is 7. 2 take away 2 is nothing. So we're down to 74 degrees. So this angle here must be 74 degrees. Now, this is where you can tell that it's not drawn to scale, because this angle, the way it's been drawn up here, looks like it's obtuse. It looks bigger than 90, and yet the answer we've got is 74, which is less than 90. That's why it's not drawn to scale. But very often, diagrams aren't drawn to scale in maths questions, so you just have to go with what the calculations say rather than how it looks. And the calculations are telling us that it's got to be 74 degrees. So 74 degrees is the correct answer. Final answer, 74 degrees.